Hi students, how are you? Uh, yeah, after 1 and 2 we are solving the third question. No matter what the question, only thing you need to focus is if there is any divisibility test by 2, we need to do. If there is divisibility test by 3, what we need to do. If you have that basic idea, then we can solve any kind of problem, any big number also. Okay. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. They are asking, we need to use divisibility test, and among these numbers A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, which of the following are divisible by 6. Okay. Now, divisible by 6, there is two conditions which we need to check. It should be divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. If it satisfies both the conditions, then we can say the number is divisible by 6, right? This is what we have seen in the last class. I think you remember. If you don't remember, please go back to that particular video and watch the video. Okay. Now, first we will check divisible by 2 condition. Divisible by 2 condition. What is the divisible by 2 condition? We should check the last number. If the last number is either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then we can say it is divisible by 2. So the last number is 4. So we can say that yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now we check the divisible by 3 condition. What is divisible by 3 condition? You should add all the digits and check whether the digits are divisible by 3 or not. See here the digits are 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 9, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 4, 23 plus 4, 27. So 27. So this 27 will come in 3 table or not? Yes. 3 into 9 is equals to 27. So this is also divisible by 3. So if both are S, then we can say yes, it is divisible by 6. That is what we need to do. Only 3 steps. First check the condition for divisible by 2, then check the condition for divisible by 3. If it satisfies both steps, then we can say the number is divisible by 6. Otherwise, if it fails in any one case, which means if it is not divisible by 2 or if it is not divisible by 3, then straight away it is not divisible by 6. This is what we will do. Likewise, we will go and check for this also. Okay. See, the last digit is 8. So when it want to divisible by 2, it should have one of the number. So 8 is okay. So by 2, it passed the test. By 2 is yes. Then by 3, I am directly writing this one. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 8 is 16. So 16 is in the 3 table? No. 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 6 is 18. So by 3 is no. See here, by 2 is yes, divisible by 2 is yes. By 3 is no, divisible by 3 is no. So by 6 is a big no. So this will not satisfy any condition that divisible by 6. Okay, by 6 is no. This is what we require. Okay. Now this case, here straight away by 2. By 2 it doesn't satisfy. Why? Because the last digit is 5. 5 is not in either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So straight away you can write as by 6 also. No, it is not divisible by 6. Last digit 3. Straight away now by seeing the number we should be able to tell whether it is divisible by 6 or not. Here it is 3. 3 means it will not divide by 2. So it is not divided by 6. So a big no. It will not divide by 6. Okay. Here it is 2. So by 2 is yes. Okay. Next we calculate by 3. By 3, 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 5, 18 plus 2, 20. So 20 is in the 3 table. No. Why? Because 3 into 6 equal to 18, 3 into 7 equal to 21. 20 is not there. So a big no. So by 6 also a big no. This number is not divisible by 6. Okay, this as usual, homework, homework, homework. 3 you need to do homework. Okay, now 0. You see this last digit, it is 0. So by 2 it is obviously yes. Now we will check by 3. By 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 1, 21. So 21, you see the number, it comes in the 3 table. Yes, 3 into 7 equal to 21. So this will be yes. So this number is divisible by 6. Now we check this number, last digit number is 2. So by 2, it will be divisible, yes. By 3, 1 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 2, 23. 23 is not in the 3 table. Okay, so this will not be divisible by 6. These concepts are very easy concepts. Just for one thing you need to understand properly. If you understand, if you are able to solve for one particular number, the same formula we will repeat to the any number. For divisible by 6, first you should check whether it is divisible by 2. If it is yes, then proceed for divisible by 3. If it is not divisible by 2, straight away you can say that it is not divisible by 6. For divisible by 3, you should add all the numbers. That final sum should be present in the 3 table, or it should be divisible by 3. Then only we can say that it is divisible by 6. Okay. You take an example, you solve these 3, put in the comment section. A big thumbs up for you, for your hard work, for your dedication. Regularly you are watching my videos. That gives me pleasure to create more and more content. Okay. Thank you.